everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the holiday update for 2024. Software version is 2024.44.25.2. The first note that we have here in the update is the Apple Watch. Tesla now allows the Apple Watch to pair the watch as a key to lock and unlock the vehicle without ever pressing a button. You can also see the state of charge in the vehicle's battery with the watch face complication and perform actions such as opening the frunk or the trunk. Alright, so we're going to set this up and we're going to see how well it works on this Hardware 3 car. Alright, pairing the Apple Watch with the Tesla car. So I've got the complication set up right here, so I will just tap it. Set up watch as key. And then it says pairing, authenticating, authorizing, and finishing. So I should now be able to use my watch as a key. So I tried downloading a clip to my phone because it says that you can in the app. There's a download button, but I sat here for about 3 minutes and it never downloaded, so that feature does not work. SiriusXM. Pretty much everybody knows what SiriusXM is. I don't use it. I don't care for it. They play the same 5 songs over and over again, so I'm not even going to go look at that one. Set arrival energy. You can now set a preferred battery charge level for when you arrive at your destination. Higher if you'd like more charge, or lower if you prefer to arrive faster. I don't think this has anything to do with the superchargers in between your destinations. I'll go ahead and put something in here in a little bit and just see what it does, but I think from what I've seen from other people that already have this, it doesn't change your supercharger arrivals, it just is your final destination. Search along route. When you're navigating, you can search for a location like a coffee shop or fast food or other stops, and the results are filtered to show the options along your route. Precipitation Map and Weather destination. You can now view precipitation in your area directly on the vehicle's map. Additionally, while navigating, you can see the destination weather in the weather pop-up. This will also be updated on any significant weather differences between your current location and the final destination. This one does require premium connectivity to use. Rear cross traffic alert. When you shift into reverse, your vehicle will alert you if it detects a pedestrian or vehicle crossing behind you by highlighting the corresponding side of the rear view camera in that feed. TuneIn Radio. It's just the free radio over-the-air version that Tesla gives you. News and talk radio stations, music, sports, yada yada yada. Premium connectivity is required for that as well. Lightshow Updates. It looks like, let's see here. You can play the show instantly or schedule it up to 10 minutes in advance. You can control the interior lighting, add display color effects, create larger custom shows. Yeah, something interesting to check out. Boomerang Fu is a new game in the little game console thing that comes with the car. Theater and video updates. You can use the media card to play and pause any active video content. I believe they're talking about the media card that's down in the bottom left of the corner. And you can start a video in the web browser before you drive and enjoy the content as audio while you're driving. Seat control. The new seat control panel allows you to adjust the position of the unoccupied passenger seat by going to Controls and Seats. Maintenance summary. This feature provides a record of when common maintenance actions were last performed and recommends to perform them next. Go to Controls, Service, and Maintenance. Service menu says the tire service mileage 20,000 plus miles ago. I just rotated my tires. So this update has knocked out the information that I put in here when I rotated my tires probably 1,000 miles ago. So now it says I'm 20,000 plus miles overdue. So Tesla has knocked out your history that you had in there from previous, so you'll have to go back into your records if you keep them anywhere else and find out when you last rotated your tires so that you can get that updated correctly. Thank you, Tesla, for deleting that information. Much appreciated. Maintenance. Tire rotation. Last maintenance performed was at 14,925. That is inaccurate because I just rotated them a couple weeks ago, less than 1,000 miles ago. So that should show that I did it at around 85,000 miles. So yeah, I think I changed them at 85.2 or something like that. So yeah, Tesla has deleted all that previous information with this update. Cabin air filter replacement, I have done one of those as well, and it's not in there. Wheel alignment check is needed, windshield camera area precision cleaning as needed, and wiper blade replacement as needed. If we touch on one of these, we can record the maintenance that was done. It is not probably going to let me, it's not going to let me put a mileage in, so if I record this now, it's going to say that I changed it now. I'm just going to skip it, and I'll take care of it when it comes up around. I have Teslafy that tracks the car, and I have service reminders in there, so I'm not. And then some minor updates. You can tap nearby parking on any point of interest page to get directions to nearby parking and start your journey with ease. Navigation will now dynamically route around road closures and display them along an affected route when they are detected by the fleet. If someone attempts to open the door or trunk while Sentry Mode is active, you'll receive a notification on your mobile app. When reviewing dashcam clips in your video, the player will skip directly to the recorded event. The Energy app consumption page has been updated to let you view your energy usage over the last 200 miles. When navigating to a supercharger upon arrival, you will be notified on the touchscreen of any stalls that are currently out of order. While reversing, your music volume can automatically lower to help you focus on parking. Go to Controls, Safety, Lower Volume in Reverse. Vampire Survivors has been updated to Ode of Castlevania, adding new quality of life features and performance improvements. And then minor fixes and performance enhancements have been applied. Here, I thought I read somewhere about your mirrors. You could control how they tipped when you were in reverse. Oh, so auto tilt, and then you can adjust the tilting position. So then the mirrors tilt, and you can roll on the scroll wheel and it'll adjust how much they tip up and down. I'm just going to say restore, because I don't even use that feature. This other new feature here, camera visibility limited, clean all dirt and debris from the camera. So you can click on view, maybe click on view. Alright, so here's a bug. You're clicking on view and it's not letting you view anything. I'm like spamming the button. It's not letting me view the camera. So that doesn't make sense. And that appears to be it. I'm not going to test the features about like arriving at superchargers. I don't have a supercharger close to where I live. The closest supercharger is an hour, and the next one is like an hour and 15 minutes away. So that is not something I'm going to put miles on my car and drive an hour one way just to test out. So anyone else has experience with that, leave comments. But other than that, I think that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you're wanting to purchase Tesla, remember I always have my referral link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.